we were working with reality and fantasy, and we made that chart?
Yeah.
What kind of chart was that? Do you remember? Alyssa?
A realistic and fantasy chart?
Yes, but what is the chart called, Jermaine?
T-chart.
A T-chart. And why is it a T-chart? Andy?
Because the T-chart, because there's two things that are opposite, but same and different, the opposite.
Right, so we're comparing and contrasting two different things with a T-chart. So, like Mrs. Erickson said, we're going to review things before we get into the science experiment, and those are going to be solids and liquids. So, I'm going to pass out your very own T-chart, but I do not want you to write anything besides your name. And then I want you to write solids and liquids for the two different sides. Do not do anything else until you get this, and I can give you more direction. Okay, from here, I want to give you about 1 minute. You're going to turn to your shoulder partner. Unless there's 3 of you, you're all going to discuss it together. I want you to come up with examples of solids and liquids, or write anything that you know about them so far. Yes, Allison? You what? Can someone tell me what directions I just gave? Ready?
You talk with your shoulder partner, and if you're sleepy, you do it as one, and right then
Good, thank you. You're going to be talking about solids and liquids. So whether you know anything about them or examples of them, you can start writing on your T-charts, but I want you to discuss for about 1 minute with your shoulder partner, and then we will be sharing them. Yep. So I want very quiet voices.
A pencil is a solid. How much does that have to do with it?
An apple.
That's Erickson.
For solids, can we rate Kmart?
Yes.
We can write Kmart.
Liquid.
Yeah, okay, right. What it is, so you can write examples.
A solid is something that cannot change. A liquid is something that changes. No, they're saying what is a solid? Yeah, they're so good. What is a solid? For example, what is a solid?
A solid. Yeah. Chart. So you're not speaking unless I call on you when your hand is raised. John?
Kmart.
Kmart
Solid.
is a solid.
How is Kmart a solid?
Because it's made out of solids.
It's a building.
It's a building, so it makes it a solid. Jonah?
Yes.
Coca-Cola is a liquid.
Coke is good.
Hey!
Allison?
A lemonade liquid.
Lemonade.
Ooh.
You guys can keep adding to them. Class, class? Class, class?
Yes, yes.
Okay, you guys have enough examples on there, and it doesn't mean you have to stop it, but we're going to move on to our activity, because I know that you guys know the difference of solids and liquids now. Alright, so good job. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it, bro?
I can see it.
I don't understand how you
It looks like mint ice cream. Melted mint ice cream. Yeah. But it's actually sticky. I know. It looks like it's a...